Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how mastering punctuation can help you get a good score in fluency in read aloud question of PTE speaking. So in the read aloud section, we know that fluency is the key and punctuation marks we can say that these are our best friends. So that means making them use effectively, it will help us to boost our score. So here on the screen you can see there is one question and we can make the use of the punctuation marks to take the pause. So for example, a comma is given, so we can take a pause here and one full stop is given. So another pause can be here. And you can see the another second sentence is a very lengthy sentence. So, so there is no punctuation mark. We can divide this sentence into the two parts, break it into two parts, and we can attempt it and maintain a good flow like that also. So I will be attempting one question. You can notice the pauses and the speed fluency, and you can also attempt in the same manner to get good score in this particular question. In recent years in the UK, we have seen an increase in mental health problems among young people. So there has been an increased focus on how to support students. Here we have found concerning evidence that students may have a higher risk of depression and anxiety than their peers of the same age who are not in higher education. In recent years in the UK, we have seen an increase in mental health problems among young people. So there has been an increased focus on how to support students. Here we have found concerning evidence. In recent years in the UK, we have seen an increase in mental health problems among young people. So I took two pauses. One was at the comma, another one was at the full stop, and I divided the second sentence into the two parts, right? And I got 88 in the fluency and overall 86, right? So it's very easy to attempt the read aloud question if you use the punctuation marks to take the like pauses. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips, and share your progress in comments below. Good luck with your PTE preparation and see you in next time.